Prosecutors and defense attorneys faced off one final day before jury selection is expected to begin for the trial of Nima Momeni, the man accused of stabbing and killing Cash App founder Bob Lee. Inside the courtroom, those attorneys debated details on how the trial would proceed and who would be allowed inside the courtroom. The defense intends on calling Bob Lee's ex-wife to the stand. The defense team said investigators had asked her to get in contact with a witness who had already secured his own attorney to find a way of serving Momeni's sister with court paperwork. They said that action should be enough to bar her from the courtroom when she's not testifying.
You can't circumvent attorney-client privilege by having the DA ask a close friend to talk to law enforcement. You can't do that.
Inside the courtroom, prosecutors argued that was never their intention to have Lee's ex-wife act as an investigator or agent of the court. The judge will decide if she'll be allowed inside the courtroom once the case gets underway. To that end, jury selection is set to begin tomorrow. Defense attorneys say it could be the most critical phase of their case.
And these are the people that make a determination of innocence or guilt. So, yeah, this is the most important part of the case.
Legal experts agree that the case can be won or lost with jury selection and that attorneys on both sides will be looking for jurors who are most likely to see things their way.
A lot of times the jurors will kind of lock into one story or the other, and then will look for confirming evidence.
Attorneys in this case are still arguing how some evidence will be used in this case, including some text messages and a video that appears to show the suspect in the case pantomiming a stabbing motion. The judge is expected to rule on those issues in the days to come. Opening arguments should begin early next week. In San Francisco, Christian Cafton, KTVU, Fox 2 News.